and welcome back to my channel.
This is Everyday AI and me,
and I am V. Welcome.
And this video is going to be all about
today
plants.
is going to be on
plants out
pet
in your
care.
yard. And
everybody has a dog or a
plants
cat,
in another
and
video.
I know everybody gets bombarded with the pet products that you see on social media, like Facebook, Instagram.
The first
where
one
they're $30
is just,
for a
what plants,
30-day supply.
having no
when
idea
you start
what plants I
stacking
should
them
put
up,
in my
you
yard
can no longer
with the
afford
conditions that I have.
So
and then
I
another
wanted to tell you that there's a way around
identifying
this.
a plant.
And as I mentioned on my intro
video
and on the recipe video,
screen share
those.
So let's assume that you already have watched the intro video, so you know how to get to ChatGPT.
If you make a product,
and for the record, I call ChatGPT
paying a tremendous amount of money for it. So
but
we're going to do a dive in on
you go to openai.com
on
a browser, or you've already downloaded the app.
For
if
yeast,
you
and the
don't
other one
know
is
how
a
to
dental
do that,
product.
then please just go back to my channel and find the
I'm
video
gonna share my
introduction.
screen,
So
and you can
it
follow
has a
along,
video
and
outlining all that.
you
So
will see the power
we're going to get
of
into
ChatGPT.
plants, and I hope you enjoy this.
Go there.
And let's do a screen share. Thank you.
Hello.
Okay, now for the screen sharing part of the recording or video. So I'm going to say what plant zone is North Georgia. (7A) and (7B). Okay, so then I'm going to say I am looking for plants that can handle full shade. So let me see what that is. It's giving me a list of perennials, which is fantastic. Shrubs. And then ground cover. So now I have a whole bunch to pick through. So out of those plants, which are the best for dry, drought tolerant conditions? I should have just said which are the best drought tolerant plants. Boy, I need more coffee this morning. Okay, so now she gave me those and some suggestions about how to retain moisture within the plants. Okay, what is the best time to plant these? Currently, no, I'm going to say not better yet. Can I plant any of these now? Because she knows what time it is. So she gives me those that I can plant now. Because our temperatures just started dropping in the morning. It's in the 60s. Okay, so now's a good time. And then where it is, or yeah, I'm going to say, do any of these have big flowers? So now she's giving me ones with notable flowers. Okay, where can I find them currently and pricing? I have been looking for certain plants, and my God, you go on all these sites and nobody has them, or they don't ship. Okay, now she gave me a place where I can get them free shipping, which is important because a lot of plants are just crazy on shipping. And then, okay. The other plant is at Kinsley Family Farms. So she gave me the price range. Looks like the first one is $69.97, so $70. The second one ranges, depends on the size, obviously, $30 to $60, or even Lowe's has it $20 to $60. But if they're going to be the same price, I'd rather deal with a local small business than a big box store. Okay, and this is how I drilled down. I didn't have to go to, first of all, check my growing zone. I didn't have to then go through a lot of plants and check shade-loving plants and then go down the list. I had Kathy drill it down from my zone, shade-loving plants with flowers. Well, first, drought-tolerant shade-loving plants. Then ones that produce flowers, and then find a source for them and cost. And this is just a really quick video to show you how, just with purchasing something in for the garden or for your yard, how much time she can save you. I just did this in, 2 minutes? Well, if you've liked this, please like and share and subscribe. And I'm just not in the mood for this. Okay, so in line with the plants, I decided I wanted to add a little bit about more than just, hey, what can I plant in this area of my yard? I wanted to show you a really cool feature. Now, I do want to put this warning in there, since I do have a company that does medicinal plants. If you were talking about using ChatGPT to identify plants, I'm not sure that I'm in the same place with a lot of people on it just identifying it and trusting it. I check multiple sources if in question. I even have gone to the extension office to have professionals identify it positively. So don't mess around. But if it's just two plants you're trying to plant, here's what I would do. I'd click on this little paper clip, and it says upload file, and I'm going to put an image in there of a plant. This is a plant I'm very familiar with. What is this? Correct, lemon balm. Yes. Okay, where should I plant this in my yard? Oops, again, you don't have to worry about typos. She's going through the sunlight requirements, soil, spacing, containers. That right there is more true than anything else spoken. If you know anything about mint, it will take over your entire yard. So I have mint, so I grow lemon balm in containers because I don't want it to get into a fight with my other mint, and my other mint is in a raised garden bed, so it's controlled. So anyways, and then she gives you maintenance and everything you would, everything that I needed and then some. So now we're just going back and forth with the niceties. So is there a companion plant that I should plant with it to keep bugs away? Now she's being a landscape consultant. And there's some companion plants that I can plant around it to deal with the bugs. Oh my goodness, she's given me a lot of options. Yes, and avoid planting mint near it. Okay, so with that said, now I want to say, what are common pests or issues with lemon balm. Yes. She's going to say spittle bugs, I bet. Remember I told you in the original video that sometimes Kathy, ChatGPT, and I get into issues? Well, this is going to be one of them. And I don't know if it's spittle or spittle, but we'll find out. You didn't mention spittle bugs. It is T. Yeah. Right, but they're gross to have in your plants. All these little foamy areas. And I use neem. So not only did she say, when I asked her, I said, you didn't mention spittle bugs. She goes, you're right. Sometimes she does that. So ask questions. But so then she went over what spittle bugs are, the damage from them. In most cases, they're harmless. How to control them. You can remove them, attract beneficial insects that will then eat them. Neem oil, insecticidal soap, or keep the plants healthy. Okay, so that's, I just wanted to show you a little bit more how I dropped a photo in there, asked her to identify it, and then worked it into a Q&A as if I got on the phone with the horticultural extension for my county. So it's just really informative. I've gotten more answers out of her than the extension office. A lot of times I hear, I don't know, let me check with somebody else. And Kathy doesn't do that. So I hope you enjoyed this add-on. Thank you and have a great day.